Dear audiences, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss a topic that belongs to the grammar named subject verb agreement, and from the subject verb agreement we are going to discuss on use of am, is, are. So if you want to know the use of am, is, are, you have to know the use of number and person. We need to know the use of number and person, and you know that person can be divided in three categories. They are first person, second person, and third person. And number can be divided in two categories. They are first singular number and plural number. Now this is the turn to know the first person singular number what is. And here we can see a box, a sky color box, and you are getting four words here, and these four words are I, me, my, and mine. They belong to first person singular number. Here is another box for you, and it contains three words, we, our, us, and they are first person plural number. Now this is the turn for second person. Here you get two words as second person singular number, and here you will get another box that contains also two words, belongs to second person plural number. Now this is the turn for third person, and here you are getting a box contains some words, he, she, it, or any singular name belongs to third person plural number. And about the matter of third person plural number, you get they, them, their, or any plural object. Okay, now this is the time for total counting. Here we get four words, and here we get three words. In total is 7 words. That means first person has only 7 words. Without these 7 words you will not get any first person. And second person has only 2 words, but without this 7 and 2, in total 9 words, all the other words in the universe is counted as third person, and the number of third person is unlimited. I think you got it. If you feel any kinds of confusion, you can pause the video or you can repeat the video for better understanding. Now we are going to move about some details of the grammar, but here I want to say that if you want to note it in your exercise book, then you can pause the video or take any screenshot for better understanding. Now let's move next. Here we are getting the use of am. Am is used after first person singular number. Is used after third person plural number singular number, and the word are is used with every number and person without first person as well as third person singular number. I think you can understand. Now here is an exercise, a little quiz test for you, and you will get 5 sentences here. I hope you will pause the video now for make a good quiz test. Thank you. I think you will get the full marks. Here is answer for you. Please match it. Thank you for staying with me. That's all for now. No more now. That's all. Hope you will stay with us. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.